Have you ever thought about why some of the most basic, yet incredibly effective health treatments are hardly ever mentioned? Why is it that a simple item quietly resting in your kitchen, something as common as baking soda, rarely grabs attention for its health-boosting power? Here's the uncomfortable reality. There's little profit in basic, natural remedies. And when a treatment like baking soda water can aid everything from digestion to inflammation, even easing joint discomfort and enhancing sleep, you have to wonder, why isn't this widely known? Now, think about this. Over 350 million individuals globally struggle with inflammatory ailments, such as arthritis, stomach problems, and acid reflux. Millions more deal with poor rest, ongoing exhaustion, or kidney-related issues. Could something as low-cost as baking soda water provide true relief? In this video, we're exploring the research-supported wellness benefits of consuming baking soda water at night. And believe me, a few of these may truly astonish you. But here's the twist. By the end of this video, we'll show you precisely how to make baking soda water correctly, how much to use safely without endangering your health, and how long to keep using it to begin experiencing genuine improvements. So don't just skim through. Watch all the way, because how you use it truly matters. Leave a comment below and tell us where in the world you're watching from. We enjoy seeing how far our natural wellness family spreads. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. Click that like button and subscribe, because your journey to improved health begins right now. Let's dive in. Just a friendly reminder. The content in this video is for informational use only and not intended as a replacement for expert medical guidance. Every point shared here is validated by qualified researchers, with all sources listed in the description. All right, let's move straight into the powerful wellness effects of drinking baking soda water at night. Starting with number 1, eases nighttime heartburn and acid reflux. Lying in bed, that familiar burning sensation rises through the chest, a nightly struggle for many dealing with acid reflux. This irritation happens when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, often due to a weakened lower esophageal valve. While habit changes like raising the bed's head or skipping late-night snacks can be helpful, some look for fast relief. Sodium bicarbonate, better known as baking soda, serves as a swift remedy. Its alkaline properties balance out surplus stomach acid, offering brief comfort from heartburn. Interestingly, a 2022 investigation published in BMJ Open Gastroenterology examined the impact of bicarbonate-rich mineral water on heartburn. The randomized, controlled study revealed that participants who drank this mineral water felt notable improvement in their symptoms compared to those who took a placebo. This indicates that natural forms of bicarbonate may be useful in handling acid reflux. Although these solutions may deliver short-term aid, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider for ongoing symptoms. Chronic acid reflux might signal deeper issues like gastroesophageal reflux disease, which needs full medical attention. Always approach such natural methods carefully and with your doctor's supervision. Number 2, alleviates muscle discomfort. It's late. The earlier workout still echoes: tense thighs, aching hamstrings, a dull throb in the shoulders. For those who've pushed beyond their limits, that familiar soreness can be both a mark of effort and a source of unease. But what if your evening routine included something as unlikely as a pinch of a familiar kitchen essential? Something quietly examined in exercise science labs. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly recognized for its role in baking, serves a completely different function in muscular biology. After strenuous physical activity, muscles accumulate hydrogen ions, which reduce pH levels and make the internal environment more acidic. This shift significantly contributes to fatigue and soreness. Sodium bicarbonate functions as a buffering compound, working to counteract this acidity, and recent studies emphasize its effectiveness in accelerating recovery. As noted in a 2019 publication in Frontiers in Nutrition, sodium bicarbonate intake enhanced recovery by reinstating the body's acid-base equilibrium following demanding exercise. The researchers pointed out that consuming it during the recovery phase increased blood bicarbonate levels and pH, producing a more supportive setting for muscle regeneration between workouts. This wasn't merely about easing soreness. It also appeared to prepare the body for improved performance in future sessions. So while a hot shower and some stretches can offer relief, intriguing science is unfolding around how the body heals itself. And occasionally, it begins with something as modest as a spoonful of baking soda before bed. Number 3. Enhances kidney performance. The nighttime hours present a prime opportunity for the body to undergo restorative actions. And for people living with chronic kidney disease, or CKD, this time can be especially valuable when aided by proper strategies. One such strategy involves correcting metabolic acidosis, a frequent issue in CKD, through the use of sodium bicarbonate. Metabolic acidosis occurs when the kidneys fail to eliminate enough acid or preserve adequate base levels, resulting in an imbalance that may hasten CKD progression. By correcting this irregularity, sodium bicarbonate assists in stabilizing the body's internal chemistry, potentially slowing the deterioration of kidney function. An extensive meta-analysis released in 2021 in Frontiers in Pharmacology reviewed the outcomes of oral sodium bicarbonate use in individuals with CKD. The research revealed that sodium bicarbonate significantly elevated blood bicarbonate values and decelerated the decline of estimated glomerular filtration rate, a critical marker of renal health. Furthermore, it showed benefits in vascular endothelial health, vital for cardiovascular well-being, a frequent concern among CKD patients. Introducing these measures during the night, when the body is naturally tuned to repair and renewal, could boost their effectiveness. Still, it's crucial to follow such approaches under medical guidance, customizing them to personal conditions to prevent possible risks. Number 4. Eases gout-related discomfort. Picture this. You're in bed, and your big toe pulses with pain so sharp it feels like it's burning. That's the harsh truth of a gout attack, often arriving at night, robbing you of rest and comfort. Gout, a type of arthritis, stems from uric acid crystals building up in the joints, resulting in sudden and intense discomfort. Now, think of a common household compound, sodium bicarbonate. When paired with benzbromarone, a drug that promotes uric acid elimination, it has demonstrated potential in relieving gout symptoms. A 2024 investigation featured in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine assessed this dual therapy. Patients treated with both agents showed marked decreases in blood uric acid levels, fewer crystal formations, and enhanced kidney performance compared to those using sodium bicarbonate by itself. Notably, the combination was generally well received without a significant rise in negative side effects. The process is simple. Sodium bicarbonate increases the alkalinity of urine, which boosts uric acid solubility and encourages its removal. This action helps block the formation of fresh uric acid crystals and may assist in breaking down those already present. Benzbromarone works in synergy by strengthening the kidney's capacity to flush out uric acid. Still, it's vital to pursue this option under a healthcare provider's guidance. Overuse of sodium bicarbonate can cause metabolic alkalosis, a serious issue marked by elevated blood pH levels. So, although the combination therapy shows promise, it should be administered with caution. Number 5. Maintains the body's pH equilibrium. At the end of a busy day, the body's chemical makeup reflects the accumulated impact of stress, nutrition, and movement. This can result in a slight increase in internal acidity. Sustaining a steady pH level is essential for peak cellular function, and the body uses several systems to uphold this balance. One of these systems involves bicarbonate ions, which act as buffers to counteract extra acid. A recent 2024 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry examined the influence of bicarbonate-rich mineral water on pH regulation. Individuals who drank 1.5 to 2 liters of this mineral water daily experienced a notable rise in urinary pH and a drop in net acid output, signaling a move toward a more alkaline body environment. This research underscores bicarbonate's role, a naturally occurring element in some mineral waters, in aiding the body's acid-base control. By supplying an external source of bicarbonate, Such water may support the body's buffering system, particularly when facing higher acid levels. It's worth emphasizing that while the body possesses powerful systems to maintain pH stability, eating habits can affect this process. Adding bicarbonate-rich mineral water into one's routine might provide extra help, especially for those who consume a diet rich in acid-producing foods. Still, it should be seen as a supportive measure, not a standalone remedy. Number 6. Supports urinary tract infection relief. As the evening settles in and the day's busyness fades, the irritation of a urinary tract infection, or UTI, can become more noticeable, disturbing rest and comfort. During such times, some people turn to natural approaches for symptom relief. One such option is sodium bicarbonate. The idea behind this remedy lies in the nature of UTIs. These infections often flourish in acidic conditions, and the stinging sensation while urinating is partly caused by this acidity. By adding an alkaline agent like sodium bicarbonate, the pH level of urine can be raised, potentially creating an unfavorable setting for bacteria and easing the burning sensation. A study featured in the International Urogynecology Journal examined this approach. Scientists gave oral sodium bicarbonate to women experiencing lower urinary tract symptoms, or LUTs, with acidic urine. After 4 weeks, participants showed a marked rise in urine pH from an average of 5.31 to 7.2. This increase in alkalinity was linked with clear improvements in urinary urgency, frequency, and nighttime urination. The research concluded that sodium bicarbonate taken by mouth may serve as a useful, low-risk option for addressing LUTs connected with acidic urine. However, it's important to proceed carefully. Overuse of sodium bicarbonate can cause serious complications, including disturbances in electrolyte levels and metabolic alkalosis. As such, anyone thinking about this method should speak with a medical provider to determine its suitability for their unique condition. Number 7. May inhibit cancer development. In the stillness of nighttime, when the pace of life slows, some individuals seek out unconventional paths to boost their wellness. One such method involves using sodium bicarbonate, better known as baking soda. Though commonly recognized for its role in household cleaning and baking, recent scientific studies have explored its possible application in cancer treatment. A 2024 study in Frontiers in Oncology investigated how sodium bicarbonate affects tumor-related acidity. The research found that introducing sodium bicarbonate could neutralize the acidic conditions around tumors, potentially slowing the growth and spread of cancer. Specifically, the study noted that mice with malignant ascites, a condition involving fluid buildup caused by cancer, had longer survival rates when treated with sodium bicarbonate solutions compared to untreated mice. Additionally, a case within the same study described a woman with chemotherapy-resistant ovarian cancer who experienced a meaningful decrease in tumor indicators and acidic fluid accumulation after receiving sodium bicarbonate therapy. These results imply that sodium bicarbonate may impact the tumor's surrounding environment, making it less suitable for cancer cell growth and activity. However, it's important to emphasize that these findings are early stage, and larger-scale clinical studies are necessary to confirm safety and effectiveness. As always, anyone considering such non-traditional treatments should consult with medical professionals before making decisions. Number 8. Eases symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. After a full day coping with the relentless stiffness in her joints, Maria found comfort in a simple bedtime habit. She would stir a small amount of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it before sleep. This practice unexpectedly brought her relief from the chronic inflammation linked to rheumatoid arthritis. The explanation for Maria's improvement lies in the body's immune function. Rheumatoid arthritis is driven by an overactive immune system that wrongly targets healthy joint tissues, causing swelling and pain. A study featured in the Journal of Immunology examined how ingesting sodium bicarbonate might influence immune behavior. Scientists discovered that consuming baking soda triggered a shift in the spleen's macrophages, from the inflammatory M1 type to the calming M2 type. This transformation indicates that baking soda may help foster an anti-inflammatory state in the body. For Maria, this meant fewer flare-ups and more peaceful nights. While baking soda is not a cure for rheumatoid arthritis, its capacity to regulate immune responses offers a sense of optimism for those exploring alternative symptom management. Still, it's vital to speak with a medical expert before starting any new remedy. Next, how to take baking soda at night for wellness. Correct amount, best time, and safe use. When it comes to using baking soda as a natural health booster, simplicity pairs well with science, but timing, quantity, and safety are key. To begin, the best moment to take baking soda is about 1 to 2 hours after your final meal, just before bedtime. This allows your stomach to settle and helps avoid acid buildup overnight, which is often linked to discomfort, especially in conditions like arthritis or acid reflux. Regarding dosage, 1/2 teaspoon, or roughly 2.5 grams, dissolve in a glass of cool or room temperature water, 6 to 8 ounces, is generally regarded as safe for short-term use in healthy adults. Stir thoroughly and sip it slowly. Don't gulp, so your stomach can process it gently without feeling bloated. Now about duration. If you're using it for possible anti-inflammatory support, such as easing rheumatoid arthritis symptoms, it's best to try it consistently every other night for at least 2 weeks to observe any gradual effects. That said, daily long-term use isn't advised without a doctor's supervision, due to potential side effects like excess sodium intake, alkalosis, or digestive disturbances. For general well-being, once or twice weekly may offer benefits, and is a safer choice over time. Used thoughtfully, this modest pantry item can become a quiet helper in your nightly self-care routine, just as it did for Maria. Small dose, significant results. Who should avoid using baking soda at night? Understand the risks before you sip. Before reaching for that glass of baking soda, mixed with water, it's important to understand that while this solution is natural, it's not suitable for everyone. Individuals with elevated blood pressure should proceed with extra care. Baking soda contains a high amount of sodium, and even minor doses can elevate blood pressure or worsen heart-related conditions when taken consistently. If you're following a low-sodium eating plan or take medications such as water pills, steroids, or acid reducers, baking soda could interfere with or intensify their effects. This interaction might upset your electrolyte levels, causing symptoms like muscle spasms, fatigue, or in more severe cases, alkalosis, a state where the blood becomes excessively alkaline. Expectant mothers should not use baking soda as a stomach-soothing remedy without a doctor's clearance. It may lead to fluid buildup and influence blood pressure during pregnancy. People who often experience bloating, gas, or other digestive discomforts might find that baking soda worsens their symptoms if consumed frequently. When it reacts with stomach acid, it generates carbon dioxide gas, which can cause that full, gassy sensation. If you have a past or current heart condition, especially congestive heart failure, it's best to avoid it. The added sodium could place extra strain on the heart. Bottom line, baking soda isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. What brings one person improved rest or reduced inflammation might be risky for someone else. Always speak with a medical professional before beginning, especially if you fall into one of these risk categories. And that's a wrap for today's video. Now, it's your turn. Have you tried drinking baking soda water at night? If so, we'd love to hear your story. Have you seen any changes in how you feel? Maybe improved digestion, less inflammation, or better quality sleep? Whatever your experience, share it in the comments. Your insights might help someone else on their health journey. And if this video brought you value, just type yes in the comments. That one simple word gives us a huge boost to keep creating more science-supported wellness content like this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your encouragement means the world, naturally. Thanks for watching. And as always, take good care of your body, your mind, and your health.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are very valuable to us. Please make a small comment.